Are you interested in a weather miner that both collects a ton of useful weather data and earns you money from simply having it up? In this video, I'll review the highest earning crypto miner out of all Fry Foundation's different crypto miners, the high-end weather miner. I'll show you its earnings, show you the unbox, and share my thoughts on the miner. I'll also tell you some important news that anyone with a Fry miner or someone looking to get one should know of. Remember, nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Anyone looking to get the weather miner or any of these other Fry crypto miners, you can get a 35% discount when using the code NORDIC. And this will save you more than $100 on these miners. And as you can see, the weather miner comes in two different models. And this is important if you plan on getting one, as they support different frequencies. Here is a list of some of the places where each frequency works. And the device you get might not be the one that is in the picture. As we can see, the 433 MHz version is a bit more expensive than the other one. I'll now start showing the weather miner, and at the end I'll tell you about the Fry miner news. This weather device by Ambient Weather is exactly what it sounds like. It measures a bunch of weather data through a set of instruments, and Fry Foundation have made it so that if you set one up and connect it to their site, you are rewarded with crypto tokens every day simply for keeping it up and collecting weather data. And this is something Fry Foundation does across many sectors, utilizing people to set up physical infrastructure and share the data collected across decentralized networks, which can then be sold and used eventually. And in this case, with the weather miner, it results in accurate, timely, and localized weather data, which can have many use cases. Now, this device here is extremely similar to the one I made a setup video on the Weather XM device. However, the Weather XM weather station costs $400 and is also connected to crypto, but that device is currently just earning test tokens that is currently not worth anything, and we don't know what it might be worth in the end. So the Fry Foundation weather miner is both cheaper in price and is rewarded in real crypto tokens that are actually worth something and can be used to trade to dollars, euro, or whatever. And here lastly is the device by Ambient Weather themselves for around $150, but if you get this one here, it has no connection towards earning any crypto. Alright, here is the weather station miner as I unbox it. It comes with an instruction manual which is actually extremely detailed. I'll show all the photos of later in this video. So I take out the main device with all its different measuring instruments. Some parts here I need to put on myself. It comes with a power cable to the console that comes with the package, and this console is what we connect to our Wi-Fi and gets all the measured data from the weather device. We also get the screws and the U-bolts to be able to place this device on a pole, as this device needs to be mounted in a correct manner, as you can see here. To simplify the setup process, install the device, set up and connect your console to your Wi-Fi using their local dashboard, where you also register your weather station. Then you go ahead and mount your station outside. Most optimal is to place it up on a roof where the wind is not obstructed from reaching your device. But on a high pole in the ground out in the open works just as fine. When the device is set up, we need to create an Algorand wallet to where the crypto rewards will be sent to. I use the Para wallet. Set up my wallet there. After I've set up my wallet, I go to the Fry Foundation website. Under Hardware Miner Resources and under Registration, I click on High-End Weather Miner. I go to this link first and connect it to my Algorand wallet. After you've done that, go back and fill in the rest of the info here for registration to the Fry Foundation, including a picture of your device. Then I believe it will take 1 or 2 working days for the Fry Foundation to verify, and your device will start mining after that. Fry Foundation have a Discord channel that is great if you need help with anything. So now let's go through the earnings and why we get these crypto earnings with this weather station. So Fry Foundation have set out to be the network of networks providing data through DePIN devices that collects various data. And then they plan on selling this data to various companies and use cases. And this approach goes for all of their crypto miners. And we users with the crypto miners are rewarded in the Fry crypto token for deploying and maintaining these devices. These Fry crypto tokens that we get run on the Algorand blockchain, and we can swap these Fry tokens to a stablecoin one-to-one with a dollar called USDC if you want to, or using a decentralized exchange like on tinyman.org. And here we can see the earnings with the high-end weather miner. Keep in mind that in this earnings section here, it changes and goes up every now and then, I've seen. And here we can see that there are unverified and verified earnings. This depends on if you have verified the location of your Fry miner. And there is quite a big increase in earnings if one verifies their miner. To get your miner verified, you need to verify it using Fry Foundation's upcoming verification program that is set to launch sometime in October. So stay tuned on Fry Foundation's socials for that. But as of current prices on these earnings equal this amount of dollars earned per day using the high-end weather miner, which equals to around this per month. And now, before I mention my final thoughts on this high-end weather miner, I need to go through the Fry miner crypto news that will affect all of their Fry crypto miners. The change that is going to happen is that the payouts will occur monthly instead of daily, and that goes for all Fry crypto miners. In addition to that, staking and LP farm have been implemented for the Fry crypto token in various forms. As you can see, we have both single staking of the Fry token and we have LP farming. And for both staking and farming, we both have the option to lock up the tokens for 0 days, 30 days or 365 days. Keep in mind of impermanent loss and what that means before getting into LP farming. Now, the monthly payouts and staking incentives are implemented in order to help out the Fry token price, I believe. And as the Fry Foundation progress and eventually starts to sell their data to companies, I guess we'll see more utility for the Fry token, and perhaps that will help its price action. And the recent announcement of staking, I believe, is the reason we see the recent price increase. So now that we know everything, what are my final thoughts on the Fry high-end weather miner? I must say I'm positively surprised of the many features and data I'm able to get from the weather station by ambient weather. The current cost of the Fry weather miner is currently very cheap in my opinion when considering it comes with a crypto earnings feature that currently generates quite a decent amount per month. And the Fry token price have held up pretty nicely during the last 4 months. I assume the price will hold up even better when this monthly payout method is implemented, and now that we have staking as well on the side. But who knows what will happen. Now let me know what you think in the comments. Now I'll just show you the setup details, pictures and weather settings, and just pause the video if you want to see them and go through them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.